Your badge starts its 2 to 5 week journey right here, where the order is reviewed, coded, and entered into our order entry system. For any badge requiring a new design or custom seal, our designers will create a detailed computer rendering of your idea. Manufacturing really starts with the creation of precision dies and tools that are created in-house using traditional and high-tech equipment. Approved artwork is sent to the die cutters to use in initiating the manufacturing process. It is placed on a pantograph machine that traces the image with a stylus, reduces it to actual size, and begins the precision cutting of the die into a block of steel. Upon completion of each die, the necessary tools are made for use later in the process. Coils of material are fed into the blanking presses, where the blanking tools punch through the material at a rate up to 125 strokes per minute. One by one, the blanked out shapes are placed into dies, where pneumatic drop hammers use the massive force of gravity freefall to make an impression in the softened metal. Multiple blows are required to bring out the desired detail in the badge. The badges coming off these hammers still have excess metal, or salvage, that needs trimming. With the trim tool and power press, the salvage is removed and the true shape and detail of the finished badge begin to appear. As you are beginning to notice, badge making is not a mass production business. Each one is made individually with meticulous craftsmanship. An inspector's approval is required before it can move on to the next operation. Custom lettering can be accomplished in 2 ways. Computer engraving cuts letters and numbers into the metal, one badge at a time. Or hand lettering is used for some badge styles that cannot be engraved. Next, the safety catch and joint are positioned, then hand soldered or processed in a 1525-degree oven to assure the attachments are hard soldered to the badge. If a curved shape is required, the operator selects the proper tool with the correct curvature, then individually places the badges in a dapping machine where a foot press shapes them. In one technique, powdered glass is applied in multiple applications and painstakingly placed by hand into precisely engraved cavities within the badge. After the powdered glass is applied, it is placed in a 1500-degree oven to solidify the colorful enamel. The badge is then stoned to remove all residue color material and reveal crisp, clear graphics and lettering. With enameling completed and colors clearly defined, your badge passes through another inspection station where the operator chooses the proper size pin stem, rivets it to the joint, and makes certain the catch functions correctly. The polishing area is where the true beauty of your badge begins to emerge. Here, various wheels and compounds are used to buff out minor imperfections and to bring out the brightness and luster of a fine piece of jewelry. Workers carefully string the badges onto racks specially designed to be immersed in a series of tanks where gold, nickel, or rhodium solutions are applied using electroplating. Now, after days of painstaking work, it's time for the finishing touch to be applied to your badge. The center seal is bonded perfectly into position. Now your badge is complete. All that remains is final inspection, where every aspect of the manufacturing process is carefully checked and rechecked.